Hello folks, Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. Get a load of this little fancy bucket that I found in Walmart. I tell you what, a lot of us professional detailers, we like to tease chemical guys a lot, but I'll tell you, their marketing reach and their ability to get their products into so many stores is unbelievable. There's a lot of companies out there like Optimum and Sonax that would love to have their marketing reach, but get a load of this thing. I walked into Walmart last night and I saw this thing sitting on the shelf. This thing cost me $39. It's really cool. It's got a 4.5 gallon bucket, right? Inside the bucket, if you like grit guards, it comes with their, what do they call this thing? The Tornado Frontal Grit Guard made by chemical guys. Hey, if you like grit guards, it sits in the bottom of the bucket, works great. Also comes with this wash mitt, this microfiber wash mitt. Seems nice and soft. I think it'll get the job done. Then it also comes with 3 different chemicals. It comes with Mr. Pink, 16 ounce. You can use that car soap in a foam can, and you can use it in your bucket wash. Works great. I've used it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's pH neutral, but it's cool. It'll get the job done. Then it has that Dabl wheel cleaner. That's probably the weak link in this whole system. That wheel cleaner is not the best wheel cleaner on the planet from a pro perspective. But if you're maintaining your car on a regular basis, cleaning it once a week, once every 2 weeks, I think it'll do the job. It provides some nice lubrication. It foams up on the wheel when you're cleaning it. I also believe, in fact, I know you can dilute the chemical guy's Dabl to kind of save yourself some money. You go to their website, they'll tell you how to do it. Then it comes with this Silk Shine dressing, right? This is a water-based dressing. You can use this on the exterior plastics of your car. You can use it as a tire shine on your tires, which is pretty cool. You can use it on the interior. It's water-based. I wonder if anybody's ever diluted that product. I believe it's ready to use the way they sell it. But I tell you what, for $39 at Walmart to have this little bucket kit with the grit guard, and it's really cool. The bucket comes with a lid. That lid does not screw on. It's like a snap-on type of lid. But hey, it could be a little nice seat for somebody who's cleaning wheels or whatever. Kind of makes a stool for you at the same time. $39 at Walmart. Is there anything wrong with this kit? No, it'll get the job done. Mr. Pink is a good product. Silk Shine dressing, I've used it before. It works really good. Dry to the touch, doesn't sling. Just use it responsibly, right? And it'll work great. But I thought that was really cool to see chemical guys get their marketing reach into Walmart lately in auto zones and stuff like that. All right, so maybe pros don't see them as the best products on the planet, but they're better than other stuff that's out there on the market and easy to get your hands on. So I thought it was cool. It was worth mentioning it. I love you guys. Hopefully that helps you out. 39 bucks. How can you go wrong if you need a little floor? And I like the 4.5 gallon buckets. You know, whether you use 1 mitt, 9 mitts, 55 mitts, I don't know what you guys do. But 4.5 gallons to put your water and soap in for your typical contact wash for a car wash seems to be great. Sometimes the 5-gallon buckets, the 6-gallon buckets, they're too big and you got to hump them around. So I like it. Plus it's got a little lid on it. It's a stool. You know, after you're done washing your car, sit down on it and have a cold beer and look at your work. Pretty cool. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Just wanted to share that with you.